In this video, we'll configure Outloud, permissions, API key, and settings. In Setup, we search for permission sets. Outloud comes with 2 permission sets. We assign Outloud admin to our admin users. Then we assign Outloud features to the users who will be recording voice notes. Next, we open the Outloud management app from the app launcher. Outloud needs an OpenAI API key. Let's head to OpenAI to create one. We create a new secret key, give it a name, and click Create. Make sure to copy the key right away. It won't be shown again. If you miss it, just delete it and create a new one. Back in Salesforce, we paste the key and click Insert. The checkmark confirms the connection. Our API key is active. Under Search Settings, we choose which objects Outloud can search when recording voice notes. We click Edit and select the objects we need, like leads, accounts, and contacts. There are a few more settings on this page, like which languages to enable, which languages to auto-translate into, and which transcription model to use. Once everything is set to your needs, Outloud is ready to use.